Welcome back. I am the Electrical Code Coach from electricalexamcoach.com. And this is the question of the day. Let's get to it. For a service entrance installation protected by a 200 amp main overcurrent device and utilizing 3 AWG copper ungrounded service conductors, what is the minimum required size stated in AWG for the copper grounding electrode conductor that must be installed in accordance with the applicable sizing provisions? The options were A, number 4, B, number 2, C, number 5, or D, number 3. And the correct answer is number 4. Let's take a look at it now. Let's first pick apart the question. There's only a couple things that we actually need to know. First off, we need to know the size and the makeup of the incoming hots. And in this case, it's 3/0 copper. Then we need to know that it is a GEC, not an equipment grounding conductor or some other type of conductor. And then we also need to know the makeup of the equipment grounding conductor. And in this case, it's copper as well. Then we have to always ask this question. Does the question mention the type of electrode? And in this case, it doesn't. So we're going to use table 250.66 at face value. When we get to the table, and this is the paraphrase table, you'll have to consult your copy of the NEC for the full table. On the left-hand side, we're going to start with the makeup and size of our hots. So we come down through, and ours were 3/0, so we're going to be right here in this range. And then we need to cross all the way over until we get to the copper column of the grounding electrode conductor itself. And we find that it is a number 4. I am the Electrical Code Coach, and my bargain is that these videos will add value to you, and you will in turn add value to others. Let's get to it.